This is the largest Hyundai factory and also happens to be the largest car making factory in the world, all brands. So it's in South Korea, in Ulsan, and you can tell the amount of car parked here, the amount of facilities. I'm going to guess many workers are just living here by the factory. The ships that are being used to send these cars in most markets except North American market where they had their own factory and European market which are made in Turkey. There is a plant in Turkey. Anyhow, so this factory is producing about one car every 10 seconds, 1.5 million cars a year. So it's really impressive. Let's just look through other pictures. And that's again that parking lot, those ships. I'm not sure about, yeah, they look white. So there's a lot of white cars being sold in Asia. I know in North America, white is not the most common color. So this is for perhaps Asian market, also Middle East market, which have hot weather, so they prefer white cars. One of the, just look at the size of this ship. It's insane. Obviously, several levels, several floors, but yeah, it's big. Another picture. Let me just give you the corporate video. It's on Hyundai's on site and show you a few footage from inside the factory itself. This is the factory from outside. Five. I don't remember the number of workers. And I did look on internet for the working conditions. And it seems, and by the way, they are producing the car from scratch. So this is the bare metal. They do really, obviously they have other companies that are giving them parts, but the main components are being made from scratch. So I was saying that it seems the workers are pretty happy to be there. So working conditions, we know South Korea, oftentimes they are being overworked, many hours a week, but it seems the workers are pretty happy to just be in this company. And also a good percentage of the workers will really finish a college degree, get in this factory and just spend their entire career there. So it's a bit different than the North American market. But yeah, obviously there is a lot of mechanization. Again, this is a corporate video. It's not show you like long shots or something like this. It gives you an idea a bit of what's going on in there. Again, the largest car making factory in the world, all brands included. That's quite impressive. I mean, and it's I really appreciate this brand. It has its faults, its issues, but I do appreciate, to me, is the most progressive brand in the world, if not the most progressive one. They really strive to advance their cars. They do make mistakes. I think it's perhaps something with the way they organize their design, but at least they are really, if you compare these cars to Asian, not Asian, but Japanese cars, they are really just very innovative people, and they're just pushing the industry to give you more and just to improve their products. This is what I really like about this company.